P equals E divided by T formula practice by KayScience.com. The equation that links power, energy transferred, and time is the equation power equals energy transferred divided by time. This can be written as P for power equals E for energy transferred divided by T for time. So P equals E over T. And the unit for power is watts, and the symbol for watts is W. Energy is always joules, and that is a uppercase J. So energy is joules with an uppercase J. And T is seconds. So time is seconds with the symbol S. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. In the first question, you are asked to calculate the energy transferred to the bulb. So you recall the equation P power equals E energy divided by T time. So P equals E over T. So you have the 80 watt power of the bulb, so that's P, and it was switched on for 5,000 seconds, so you have T, the time. So you must rearrange for E, energy transferred to the bulb. So E equals P times T. E equals power times time. So now you can substitute in the numbers. Energy transferred E equals the power, which is 80 watts, times by the time, which is 5,000 seconds. So E equals 80 times 5,000. So the energy transferred into the light bulb is 400,000 joules. 400,000 joules. In the second example, you're asked to calculate the time this light bulb was turned on for. So remember to recall the equation P equals E over T. We've got 70,000 joules, which is E, the energy transferred, and we have 14 watts, which is the power of the light bulb. So that means we can rearrange for T, the time. So T equals energy transferred into the light bulb divided by P, the power of the light bulb. So now you can substitute in the numbers. T equals 70,000 joules divided by 14 watts. This gives you the time the light bulb was switched on for, which is 5,000 seconds. So this light bulb was on for 5,000 seconds. And in the last two examples, you're going to be calculating P, the power of the light bulbs. So remember to recall the equation P equals E over T. You've got 500 joules, which is E, the energy transferred. You've got the light bulb was switched on for 5 minutes, which is the T, the time. So now we can calculate P, the power of the light bulb. So P equals 500 joules, the energy transferred, divided by the time, which is 5 minutes. But you don't use 5 minutes, we must convert 5 minutes to seconds. So that's 5 times 60 seconds, which gives you P equals 500 joules divided by 300 seconds, which gives you a power rating of this light bulb of 1.39 watts. So P equals 1.39 watts. Recall the equation P equals E over T. Power equals energy transferred divided by time. So power equals 5,500 joules divided by 10 minutes. We must convert the 10 minutes to seconds. So it's 10 times 60. So P power of the light bulb equals 5,500 joules divided by 600 seconds. So P equals 9.17 watts. The power of this light bulb is 9.17 watts. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.